Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we break down beauty products with honesty, expertise, and a touch of fun. Today, we're checking out the Stila Stay All Day Muted Neon Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Hint of Mint, a matte, gel-formulated liner designed to deliver bold color that lasts from morning to night. Let's see if it really lives up to the hype. Right off the bat, Stila's Stay All Day liner is known for its long wear formula, and this muted neon collection adds a playful twist with soft yet vibrant shades. The Hint of Mint color is a pastel, slightly muted green with a matte finish, perfect for adding a pop of color without feeling overwhelming. The liner comes in a slim, pen-like tube that makes application precise, even for tricky wings. Being cruelty-free, it's a win for ethical beauty enthusiasts too. I tested this liner over several days in different settings: quick morning looks, full makeup evenings, and even a light workout session. Application was smooth. The gel consistency glided across my lid without tugging, and the matte finish dried down quickly without smudging. I was impressed with how the color maintained its intensity throughout the day. Though on oily lids, I did notice slight fading after 8 hours, but nothing dramatic. The fine tip allowed for both delicate lines and more dramatic winged looks, which makes it versatile for multiple styles. I'd say the standout pros are the long-lasting formula, the matte yet vibrant finish, and the precision of the applicator. It's also lightweight, so it doesn't feel heavy or sticky on the eyelid. On the flip side, if you're new to liquid liners, the muted neon tones may require a bit of layering for full opacity, and the color can be less striking under certain lighting compared to more neon shades. In terms of value, Stila isn't the cheapest on the market, but considering the quality of the pigment, the precision applicator, and the long wear formula, it feels justified. Compared to other mid-range liquid liners, this one holds its own, particularly if you love experimenting with unique, muted pops of color. The packaging is sturdy and travel-friendly, and I expect the product to last several months with daily use without drying out, which adds to its overall value. Stila's reputation for cruelty-free, high-quality makeup further reassures that you're getting a product that meets industry standards. If budget is a concern, there are less expensive gel or liquid liners in fun shades, but few combine longevity, precision, and muted neon colors quite like this Stila liner does. For those who love experimenting with color while needing a reliable, long-lasting formula, this liner hits the sweet spot. If you're finding this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support keeps Beautyistic honest and thriving. So my final take. The Stila Stay All Day Muted Neon Liquid Eyeliner in Hint of Mint is a chic, reliable option for anyone looking to add a subtle, matte pop of color to their eye look. It's precise, long-wearing, and playful without being over the top. Perfect for creative daily wear or bold statement eyes. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this liner, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.